Thinking about joining the U.S. Army? Today we're breaking down the entire enlistment process step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. Stay with me until the end, and you'll have all the details you need. Oh, and don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell icon for the most up-to-date info on military careers and more. First, you need to make sure you meet the basic requirements. You must be between 17 and 34 years old, be a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, and have a high school diploma, or GED. You also need to pass certain health and fitness standards. Next, you'll speak with a recruiter. You can find one either at a local recruitment office or through the U.S. Army recruiting website. They'll explain the entire process and help answer any questions you might have about your goals and options. Now, it's time to take the test, the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery. This test determines what roles you're qualified for. You'll need a minimum AFQT score of 31, and your recruiter will schedule the exam for you. Once you pass the test, you'll go to MAPS, the Military Entrance Processing Station, for a full medical exam. They'll evaluate your physical and mental health and conduct a background check. With your test results in hand, you and your recruiter will discuss the military occupational specialties, or jobs, available to you based on your scores and the Army's needs. After everything checks out, medical, legal, and the test, you'll take the Oath of Enlistment. This is the official start of your military career. Now it's time for Basic Combat Training, or BCT, which lasts about 10 weeks. You'll learn the fundamentals of military life, teamwork, and essential skills for your role. Training usually takes place at bases like Fort Benning, Fort Jackson, or Fort Leonard Wood. After BCT, you'll move on to Advanced Individual Training, where you'll get specialized instruction for your chosen MOS. Once you complete that, you'll officially be a soldier in the U.S. Army. Each step of this journey requires determination and focus. But if you stay in touch with your recruiter and follow the process, you'll be well on your way to reaching your goal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for the latest updates. See you in the next video.